Good morning, everybody, and this is your Dow Jones day trade setups for today. So, bit of indecision, then we got rallying, and then a bit of a rejection. So, firstly, if we just have a look at the weekly on this, have a look at that. That is engulfing bar, engulfing bar. So that is a fairly decent weekly setup, and the structure is, well, there is a level here. There's quite a few levels, but so that is pretty much off a level. A bit messy, but nevertheless it is there. And we've got a crossover of the one oscillator, and well, both oscillators look like they've crossed over. So lots of structure. We are in an uptrend, but there's lots of structure that's indicating a move down. Now you've got a lot of data coming out. You've got earnings starting. And obviously the Dow Jones is the one that gets impacted with earnings first because of all the banks. So this is going to get quite interesting this week, I think. For now, this could turn out to be a big range. Okay, pretty much something like that. This level is a bit higher though, and or alternatively a big double top with a neckline down here at 33,650. So if we start drilling down through the time frames, you're going to see that this is not a market that you want to be holding on to trades for extended period of time. So my advice here is really try and be in and out as quick as possible. Take profit at the first level. You may not get it right every time, but as I always say, 100 pips a day pays the bills. So if you're making 100 pips a day with a smallish size trade, you're still making between 3,000 and 5,000 of whatever currency you're trading in. So this for me at the moment is basically a no-go, but I think we should be a little bit more bearish than bullish right now. Just looking at the 3 hour, that is a rejection of the 3 hour and a fairly decent rejection at that. So, sorry, rejection of the 3 hour level, which was here, but it's not quite a rejection on the hour. There's a pin bar, and these pin bars are often tested, so that is a fairly decent rejection. See, there's an inside bar off the level, perfect. Cross over the oscillators before plummeting after hours. You would have been forgiven thinking that this pin bar off structure to the left here was worth trading to the upside on Friday. You see there's a tweezer bottom there, then there's a bigger pin bar here with the data, and another pin bar. This is going up. It did go up, but it was short-lived. But basically in the opposite direction of what the trend is. You can see when you're below the moving averages like this, the trend is down, so you're looking to go with the trend. It doesn't matter if you get big rallies like this. Only once they switch over and you start building structure above the moving averages do you start switching your view. So with all of that noise in your head, what I would suggest we do today is as follows. So this is clearly a level we need to pay attention to, 33,863. So I'd be looking to have a short off there. Then you have this little bit of structure here, which is right at the close of Friday, and that would also offer an opportunity. That is 33,780. But I wouldn't want to be in there right now because this does look like a bit of a flag, and that flag is basically targeting this area up here, which is no structure there. That's at 33,809. So this 33,800 is obviously something that needs to be tested, or 33,850. Just bear in mind, this move down was very gappy. Look at all these gaps here. So yeah, that's kind of the view that I've got at the moment, and we're aiming for 33,650. I wouldn't aim for anything more than that, not with the amount of data that's coming out. But for as long as we are below the 155 here on the 15 minute, then the trend is down. You're going to get a lot more of this kind of price action this week with all the different bits of data coming out and earnings starting. So just keep your wits about you. But for me at the moment, this is really looking like a potential trend reversal. But I think short term, you can see how this is swinging above the moving averages, below, above. It's giving you like 2 or 3 day trend, but that's about all it's giving you. So yeah, you want to be in and out as quick as possible, and possibly just shorten your, or lower your position size, should I rather say. Anyway, that's it for me. Hope it helps. Remember to drop a thumbs up, drop us a comment, and we'll catch up with you tomorrow morning. Cheers for now.